Hi, I'm Maria Camila and today I'll show you my fridge. There are some lemons in the fridge. There is a green apple. There are some delicious envueltos that are kind of grab. There is a jar of yogurt. It is definitely my favorite drink. There are some eggs. These cannot be missing. There are not any sodas. My family does not like them. There isn't milk. There are not any cookies because we ran out. There is not pineapple because we don't like it. There is not meat because we consume very little. This was it. Thank you very much.